Hello and welcome to this introductory video on VM Informer. Over the next few minutes I'll be showing you how you can rapidly assess and report on the key security issues within your virtual environment. So let's get started. The first thing you see is the Policy Assessment wizard. Accept the terms and conditions of use and then click Next. Then enter the credentials to connect your virtual environment. This can be either your vCenter server or an individual ESX or ESXi host. Having connected, you'll be shown an inventory of hosts and virtual machines. Select the ones you want to perform an assessment against and then select Next. The next stage of the wizard will prompt you for credentials to connect your ESX or ESXi hosts to perform operating system checks. If you have multiple hosts that share the same credentials, you can tick the checkbox at the bottom of the screen, which will save you time in having to type them in more than once. Click Next to proceed. If everything is OK, you will then see the policy template screen. Here you can select from a number of best practice policies to assess your environment against. In this example, we'll be using VMware's version 4 hardening guidelines. Click Next to proceed. The final screen will show a summary of your selections. If everything is OK, click Finish and the assessment will start to run. Depending on how large your environment is, this can take as little as a few minutes or up to 30 minutes for an environment containing, say, 50 hosts and 1,000 machines. Once the assessment is complete, you are presented with the results in a dashboard. The tree structure on the left shows all of the nodes that were assessed, and the main screen on the right shows the results. The pie chart displays the total number of failures, passes, and items that were not set for your entire virtual infrastructure. The bar charts show the number of low, medium, and high severity scores for the entire virtual environment. So here we've selected an ESX host, and the two charts shown gives us a breakdown of the number of passes and failures, as well as a severity score just for that host. The severity levels are associated with rules, which I'll show you in a moment. We also see a stack chart of all the virtual machines associated with that host. The results window shows us all of the rules which can be grouped together to aid in identifying key security issues. In this case, the group headings and the rule labels reference VMware's own hardening guidelines. Selecting an individual rule will clearly show information about the rule and a step-by-step guide on how to fix the particular issue. Back to the environment window on the left, we now select a virtual machine, and again we can step through and see summary charts for the assessment, and again if we select a rule, we can clearly identify the steps required to secure that machine. Okay, that's about it for now. If you want to find out more, come and visit us at www.vminformer.com, and if you haven't done so already, check out our free trial downloads. Thanks for listening.